to use shortcut to change app icon on iPad, first you need to open any browser. Now I just open the Safari app. For now I want to change the logo for YouTube. So I just type old YouTube logo Pixabay. For me it's Pixabay. I want to download on that website. Yeah, it seems okay for me. I just tap this and tap download. Now click this, tap, share, save image and open Photos app. Here you can see the image. Now just to open the shortcut app, if this doesn't installed on your iPad, just go to App Store and install this app. It's official Apple app. Just open that and here make sure it selects to all shortcut. Then click this plus icon. Don't touch this select option. Just click this plus icon. Now here tap this search bar and type open app. Then click this option and here select this and choose the app here you want to convert. For me it's YouTube, so I just select this. Now click this I button, then tap add to home screen and here select the app name. You can type any name. For now I just type YouTube and just like that. And to change the app icon, just select this, tap and here you can choose the photo and this is, and here you can rescale that if you wish and tap use, add. That's it. Now it's changed. For me I didn't properly rescale that, so that's why it looks like this. Now if you tap, that's it. Now your YouTube app will be opened here. And if you want to remove this pop-up means, watch this video.